Hey everybody, welcome to Soozie Stuff. I'm Soozie, and this is my 60-second DIY. What's it gonna be today? Well, I am so excited to tell you that we are gonna work with some window clings today. And we are also gonna see window clings in my Saturday's episode. So let's settle in and let's settle back for Soozie Stuff 60-second DIY. All right, before we start, I have to have a sip of coffee. I'm going to be using these Dollar Tree little shadow boxes. They are so precious, really, the way they are. But we're going to add some window clings. I love all these sheets. I got most of them at Dollar Tree, and there's a couple in there from Dollar General, so check that out. I'm going to use this sheet, a little bit of Mod Podge. I need a clock. Let's go. I'm starting out with this piece of very thin cardboard. It actually came from those calendars. And so I took off the two window clings that I'm going to use. I placed them on there and then I just cut with my X-Acto knife around both of them. I really love that brown natural color that cardboard has, plus the texture that it has. And I just put on some Mod Podge to seal them right up. Hot glue them right on. I popped those other little pieces right off. And boom, it's done in 45 seconds. I have these little wooden pieces to go on top. I got those at Walmart and I just stained them. Add a little bit of raffia. Boom to both of them. And it's done. I love how this turned out, and I just want to tell you that of course I didn't really do it in 60 seconds, but I like to bring it to you in 60 seconds to give you a quick inspiration so you can create your own. I love how this turned out. Don't forget to check out always on Tuesdays. I do have a 60-second DIY, and then on Saturdays is my full DIY episode. And this coming Saturday, I'm going to do window clings, some Dollar Tree stickers, and a theme sort of like that. So don't forget to tune in on Saturday. Thanks for watching Soozie Stuff, KDIY Channel 146. Bye, everybody.